First, let's implement these new vertices to this array. GL float vertices. Add vertices on a new array. And in GLUint indices, create an array type called GLUint indices and type the indices. Next, GL generate buffers I and EBO. GL gen buffers VBO and GL gen buffers EBO. Next, let's generate the reference value and store it in EBO, and on this specifying they only have one object. Next, GL bind buffer. We need to bind it and we also need to specify of the type GL element array buffer. And now let us link it to indices array. Let's link it in the indices here. Next, GL buffer data. GL buffer data, we need to link it to an indices array, same as the GL buffer, bind buffer. The bind buffer and the buffer data. Now, in order to keep these things clean, we need to delete it in the end of our main function by adding the last step is we need to replace GL draw arrays with GL draw elements for specifying the primitive we want to use, how many indices we want to draw the data type of our indices, and the index of our indices.